Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to open the Wix editor. First, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Use your registered email address and password to access your personal dashboard. Once logged in, you'll see a list of all your websites under the My Sites section. Take a moment to locate and select the particular site you wish to work on today. This initial step is crucial for accessing your site's editing tools. After selecting your desired website, look for the Edit Site button. It's typically a clear, prominent button located right next to your site's name on the dashboard. Clicking this button will immediately begin loading the Wix editor. Please be patient, as the editor can take a few moments to fully load, especially if your site has many elements. A stable internet connection will ensure a faster and more efficient launch. Sometimes, you might be on your site's individual dashboard. From there, you'll also find an Edit Site button that leads directly to the editor. If you encounter any issues with the editor loading, a common fix is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Also, for the best experience, always use an up-to-date web browser such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Apple Safari, or Microsoft Edge. Once inside the Wix editor, you'll discover a powerful and user-friendly environment. It operates on a simple drag-and-drop principle, allowing you to effortlessly move and resize elements. You can customize everything from text and images to videos and entire page sections. It's a good practice to save your changes regularly, perhaps every 10 to 15 minutes, to ensure all your hard work is securely stored.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.